Good afternoon, everyone. It's Robb Colley with eXp Realty in Orange Beach. We're at my new listing located at 5401 Mobile Avenue in Bear Point Estates. Let's check it out. Let me fix that a little bit. Got plenty of parking. We're just going to do a quick little walkthrough. Nice little porch on the front landing. Twin ceiling fans. We're going to go in. There's Miss Colley in there. We're getting ready for a little open house. The house is 1,500 square feet. It's gold fortified, Roy Scott construction build. Open floor plan. Like I said, we're getting ready for an open house, and Kelly's busy over here. And check out the first bedroom. Make sure I don't make everybody dizzy. Got recessed lighting all throughout the house. That's the first bedroom. Got dual linen closets on both sides of the hall bath. I'm going to check out bedroom 2. More recessed lighting. House was built in 2019. Plenty of closet space. Back in here, see what Kelly's doing in here.
Hey.
All right, here we're in the laundry room area. More storage closet. Washer and dryer is going to convey in this one. Door that goes outside and has a built-in doggy door. You have your pantry here for your kitchen. It's a nice size. We're going to go check out the main bedroom. It also has access to outside patio and rear covered porch. But this room is, I think it is 13 feet by 20 feet. So it's a very large main bedroom. It's got pocket doors for the closet. It's a true walk-in closet. I think the measurements on it is like 6 by 9 feet. All right, we're gonna go check out the main bathroom. It's got dual vanities, granite, custom tile work in the shower. Got the life-lock floors throughout the house. The house is all electric. And once again, it is gold fortified. It helps with the insurance. This property is not required to have flood insurance. It is in flood zone X. We're gonna go outside real quick and check out the rear covered patio. Lots 50 by 100. That's just about the norm in Bear Point. But you know, Bear Point has the beach, the boat launch, community center. It's all voluntary. Just to use the beach and everything is, I think, $100 a year, and to use all the facilities, it is $350 a year. They are going to leave the little rear storage container. Once again, this is 5401 Mobile Avenue, built in 2019, and it still has a little time left on the builder's warranty. It's transferable. Y'all have a good day.